So the Pike Township Fire Department is located in Indianapolis, Indiana, in the northwest corner. It comprises 44 square miles in northwest Indianapolis. The Pike Township Fire Department has 150 merit firefighter personnel. There are approximately 80,000 Indianapolis residents that reside in Pike Township. Pike Township Fire Department takes over 10,000 emergency calls every year. We do have a huge commitment to training. We partner with the state, with our local agencies to provide the highest level of training to our own personnel, as well as throughout the region and even the state of Indiana.
They have a can-do attitude. They are willing to invest some of their resources, some of their time into assisting other fire departments, not just in their local area or in their mutual aid response, but throughout the state, and making sure that they are all trained in a consistent manner.
When it comes to finding ways to pay for the different services that we provide, all of them do come with a certain price that we have to deal with at this level. So we meet those challenges by innovative partnerships, innovative ways of delivering those programs to be the most effective for the community.
If we implement a new program, it's got to have a cost savings to it, and it has to be beneficial with time and turnaround of what problem we're trying to identify.
In early 2010, we developed a hybrid program where St. Vincent Hospital would provide a paramedic and an EMT to staff 2 of Pike Township Fire Department's 24-hour, 7-day-a-week ambulances. This creates a unique environment where we have hospital personnel assisting and providing care on the Pike Township Fire Department ambulances. This also allows St. Vincent Hospital and our education department, the St. Vincent College of Health Professions, to provide a training site for future healthcare providers, our paramedic students, EMT students, and advanced EMT students. They're allowed to provide care to Pike Township citizens under the direct supervision of a paramedic preceptor to patients of all levels of care, from pediatrics to trauma to complex medical to obstetrics and women's services. And this unique relationship really provides a benefit to both the hospital as well as Pike Township Fire Department, and ultimately to the citizens of Pike Township.
One thing we feel we supply our firefighters here at Pike Township with is the best equipment and apparatus that we can afford. And not only once we purchase those apparatus, but we maintain them properly. We're able to keep the gear in an environment that is free of carcinogens and free of toxins that are possibly causing cancer for our firefighters. And we do that by making sure that the gear is laundered after every structure fire that our firefighters go in, because we have a backup set that the firefighters will switch out. By having our own in-house mechanics, we're able to get our apparatus in, get them repaired, address the maintenance issue, and get it back out on the street immediately. If we find that the repair is going to take longer, we're very fortunate that we have very reliable reserve apparatus.
We do have outstanding training facilities here, and we have a commitment to that. In fact, all of our officers, from lieutenant, captain, battalion chief, and all up through the staff, are required to maintain a state certification level of instructor and are active all the time, so that we can produce quality training that are compliant with state and NFPA rules. So we have a great facility out here that represents a 2-story residence, a 3-story commercial building. We're able to do a number of things inside of those facilities. It's isolated on its own training pad where we can also bring in cars and do extrication training and set up all kinds of other scenarios that best ready us for an emergency call. We make our facilities available to anyone that wants to come. We make it available to those that need to use it when we're not, and they're able to come and train on our equipment.
One of their big partnerships is they have an online, web-based portal training system. They've had it for many years. They use it to train their firefighters in their stations versus having to come to headquarters or come to the training center to do classroom type of training. Years ago, the Pike Township Fire Department allowed the state to partner with them and actually put some training on their portal system that would allow firefighters all across Indiana to access that training free of charge at their own convenience.
Another great educational tool that we use for young children is our dog Dempsey. Dempsey was actually burned in a fire as well as a young puppy and had to go through numerous surgeries and rehabilitation, but luckily we've been able to get the dog back up to where he can have an enjoyable life. We take the dog to numerous burn camps around the state of Indiana through the summer, and those unfortunate children that have been burned in fires can relate to that dog and identify with the same healing process that they've had to go through that the dog is currently going through.
Pike Township Fire Department is committed to the citizens in their community. It's really reflected right in their core mission statement, to safeguard the citizens of their community through initiatives that protect life.
The Pike Township Fire Department, through their proactive, innovative, and creative attitudes, sets the standard for many fire departments within the state of Indiana and all across North America.